Alright guys, I want to talk to you about the T500. And what I want to tell you about it is basically I've got it going. Comgrow gave me all the parts I need to get this bad boy back up and running. So this is still my stock build one. So everything's stock on it. I'm not doing anything crazy. It's just been replacing parts under warranty. So it's a good running machine. It's been very good when running. The biggest issues is I had some electrical issues, had the MOSFET issue. Obviously, I've replaced my bed sheet with my Honey Badger from Fabrico, and it works really good. But that's it. That's the only thing different on that. I mean, I've got a mount for the actual filament sensor that keeps it more secure. It does make it a little harder to get the filament out. I actually got to replace that sensor because they sent me a replacement because that one is not working. I think it's jammed up. But it's here and it's working. But this machine, not so much. I was having bed leveling issues with this one out of the box. And so I've decided to go on and do a Voron upgrade. So that's what I'm working on with this bad boy. I know several people in the group have done it, and I just dropped something all over the place, some screws. But that's what I'm going to do. I've already got all my stuff built as far as the Voron. I've got to start attaching stuff. I've already done all my modifications to the... I've upgraded the firmware basically on this unit. And I've also got the other unit flash with clipper and catapult. So I've just got to wire all this stuff up and get it configured and running. So, and I think this is going to be a big improvement. I'd love to get a BL Touch working on the stock one, but this tap is going to make such a difference. And technically, I guess you could, with the CAN bus, set a BL Touch up and going, but you know, that's just a lot of work and a lot of money. I mean, to you know, use that. So I'm trying to work with the manufacturer and see if I can get a schematic for this board. But so far they're being a little resistant. So they might not be very open source about this board. So that kind of sucks. But you know, we will see. I'd love to put a BL Touch on one of these units and see how it works in comparison to the inductive sensor. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. I've printed a couple things for this unit. I've got a filament dryer mount that was made available on the Facebook group, so I've got that up there, and I'll be using that more than likely with this unit. This is going to be my wild unit. So like I said, Voron full setup, using the main board, UTC, and you know, the CAN bus adapter. So it's going to be a fun build. I can't wait to get this thing up and going. But yeah, all right guys, later.